Hey guys, welcome to my first vlog. Today is a big day because I'm officially starting my journey from hairstylist to wig influencer and YouTuber. I have one client today, but I'm also creating TikToks, working on my YouTube, and showing you how I'm building my dream life. So if you've ever wanted to change your life or chase your dream, follow along. This is only the beginning. Hey YouTube, so my name is Clanisha and this is the beginning of my first YouTube vlog. Well, this is part one. I'll be doing like a series of every day what I have to do or what I'm doing to become a wig influencer and a YouTuber so I can start doing hair and come from behind the chair. And I just wanted to take you guys on this journey with me. And if you guys ever wanted to like start and wonder where to start, because too many times I've been just trying to figure out what topics, what niche to use, but I was like, you know what, it's been over years that I was trying to figure this out, and I decided to, you know what, let me just do a raw version of how I'm becoming a content creator slash YouTuber. I'm gonna just be showing like my everyday life, what I do, the things I learn, how my day is going, if it gets hectic. Yeah, I'm gonna just show you like the rundown of what I'll be doing. So right now I'm headed to the gym. This morning I cleaned up, fed my dog. I'll meet midnight because he will definitely be a part of my YouTube because he is a part of my life. Today I wrote down the list. I have gym, then I have to go to the food store, then I have to go to the fruit man to get some fruits for my smoothies, then I have to do a TikTok wig video, then I have to message some Amazon suppliers, and I'll get more into that later because that's the way we are starting, by reaching out to Amazon companies so they'll send us wigs. I still have a few wigs here that I could start off with, but yeah, I have to edit this YouTube video and study for a test I'm planning on taking tomorrow. I have my, let me show you guys, Oxy Shred that I use when I go to the gym. People be like, take this every day, but literally I only take it when I'm going to the gym. I don't believe in taking supplements, anything every day. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys come on this journey with me if you ever wanted to be a content creator and a YouTuber. And yeah, we'll figure this out together. Hey y'all, so I just came back from the gym and I stopped to get, well, let me scratch off gym. I didn't go to the food store and I decided not to because I have stuff from the last time I've been to the food store, and I said I was not gonna keep buying stuff but use the stuff I have here. I'm gonna do rice with fish fingers, grouper fingers, and some other meat I probably have in the freezer I'm gonna take out so I could scratch out the food store. I got my fruits. I picked up some tamarind on the road, watermelon, pineapple, mango, which I'm gonna start eating now, and cantaloupe and bananas. I'm gonna eat some of this mango now. I'm gonna go in the shower, and after I come out the shower, I'm gonna come back to you guys. So I know I said I was going to shower to get ready to do my video, but I think the smart move is for me to make my lunch, which is just, look at this fly. I have my back door open and I think the flies, anyways, I'm in noodles. After that, I'm going to pick out something to wear for the video before I go to bed. After that, because I already have on my makeup, I'm thinking of doing like a get ready with me video because I already have my hair and my makeup on. Hey y'all, so I'm done doing the hair video. This is how the hair came out. I don't really wear baby hairs like that. I mean, sometimes I'll do it for the video, but this time I feel like this lace was eating that I didn't need any baby hair, but this is the look. This is my makeup. This is the hair. Simple but cute style. And now look like my client is incoming, and I sent her a message about the 15 minutes grace period, and I didn't get any answer yet, but now I'm looking to dress this outfit up a little more because I had somebody in one of my comments ask for a concert look, and even though I'm not going anywhere, I'm gonna just do the look so she could see like what I would wear to a concert. I'm so annoyed because this is the third time I'm doing this part. Everything is from Shein, including these boots. So cute. But yeah, like I say, everything is Shein. I think the earrings as well is from Shein. The chain, everything is from Shein. And yeah, I did this look, but you guys check on my TikTok because I do outfit videos on TikTok from Shein, showing you how to dress it up and how to make it look cute and luxury. The list I wrote today is getting scratched off. Everything is getting done. Now I'm about to take these clothes off because I'm so hot. Wash off this face. I'm about to meal prep, and then while the food is cooking, I'm about to edit the video, and then I have to study for the test I want to take tomorrow. Okay, y'all, I'm ending today right here. I am getting really tired. It's like 10:12 right now. I'm about to go to bed because I have to be up at 6 o'clock to start this all over again. And plus I have somebody coming to me at 7 a.m. because they have to catch a flight and they wanted a quick freshen up. And then I have another client at 10 o'clock. After that I'm free, so I'm gonna be doing content and my YouTube. Today was successful. Anyway guys, see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm feeling a little stuffy and all. Deuces.